Presenting the Ford 2018 F-250SD XLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lb payload package, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo single CD MP3 player, Sirius XM radio and sync communications and entertainment system. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.